Good morning and welcome back to the Log Cabin Firewood. My name is Jack and today we're going to be playing with a little bit of this white oak and the pine. I'm going to be staging it so that we can cut it up a little bit easier than the pile and mess that it's in right now. Let's do it. Hey guys, good morning. I hope everybody has been great. Like we said in the intro, I have been getting a little bit of wood and it is in a mess right now. What do you guys think of my new outfit? Very festive, being that it's a Memorial Day weekend. We've got a mess here and I'm gonna go through and separate the pieces that are ready to be split up with the MS324. I'm gonna separate the logs and get this into a pile. And then this pine, I'm just going to set this stuff, stack it up nice and neat, so it's not in just a big old mess like it is right now. Just something easier for me to cut so that I could get this in the bin over there that we did last week. I'm liking the bin setup over here. It looks very clean. It looks uniform. And I'm probably gonna put another one here once we get this area cleaned up. But yeah, that's what we got into last week, was this right here. Work has been annoying. My sinus infection and upper respiratory infection has been annoying, but I'm still trying to get out here and do some stuff. Because like Russ says, a little bit every day goes a long way, or something like that. He says something like that. Let's get the machine fired up, because I'm gonna do this all with the excavator and just kind of stage some stuff around. Well, here we go. I staged a couple of these big pieces over here so I can come bust them up with the Eastonmade MS-324. We got this stuff cut up the other day when we cut that stuff up. I was going to start another pile of pine here, but I ended up doing it over on this side, so there is one oddball out over there. Got the white oak and a few of the silver maple pieces stacked up. Pile of pine, or conifer. This is a good pile of a couple pieces that need to be busted up again with the MS-324, and then some pieces that we didn't catch last time we loaded up. And then another pile of pine. So we are all staged up and ready to go so that I can get some splitters down here and start splitting. Or I guess I need to get the saws down here first. My mind's all over the place. Hope everybody has a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of each other, and I'll catch you on the next one.